Welcome back to day 2 of this 4-day craft haul series. Yesterday we hit Amazon and today we are at Target, which means cute, trendy, and, well, let's be honest, slightly dangerous for your wallet. Let's see if Target actually lives up to the hype for crafting. Okay, you're probably thinking, is this a hair accessory video? And I get why you're thinking that, but no. Okay, we are going to craft with these. We are, because we can. I have several Cricuts, except maybe I won't be crafting with this one because these are kind of tiny, but I'm going to try. You'll see. Stay tuned, okay? So Mackenzie-Childs is like all the rage right now, at least for me. That's all I ever see. And I get it. I love it because I'm going to show you something. Hold on 1 minute. Yes. So right now it's Easter season for me and I use this little tray to put all my little trinkets for card making. Well, this is going to go away because it is not Easter anymore. And so I'm going to be using this little trinket dish for my little card making supply, and you guessed it, it's from Mackenzie-Childs. Okay, so this did not come from Target though. This came from Amazon. So you're going to be seeing this quite often in between the seasons. I like to try to, if I can and I have the money for it, I like to swap it up per season, but that's going to be the in between. So Mackenzie-Childs, yes. And if you haven't heard of it, of Mackenzie-Childs, no big deal. I mean, I didn't hear of it until recently, but I went ahead and this would be a really cute gift set actually, for, you know, whomever, but I'll be honest, this is for me. So I'm gonna craft with each of these items. And yes, I'm gonna try to craft with these. I'm not sure how that will turn out, but we're gonna try. And then I got a Mackenzie-Childs brush, comb, and then the bobby pins, and then of course the hair clips. So yes, excited. We definitely can craft with these items. Okay, notebooks. I know, I have the cinch binding, the disc cinch machine, the thermal cinch, and you're like, why are you still buying you know, notebooks? Well, because they're addicting. I don't know about you guys, but I love to buy notebooks. So I love this notebook. I love the colors, and it's called Thoughts and Notes, and just so, I really need more notebooks. I like to write things down, so we'll definitely craft with this. And then I lost my monthly calendar that I crafted with in another video. So I don't know how I lost it, but I had purchased this monthly calendar, slightly larger, and it starts for April, and then you can, you know, and it has the month, and then it has the weekly calendar, and it's gingham, which is, I'm obsessed with gingham, and it has a really cool pocket both on the inside and on the outside. And then lastly, I like this little notebook here because it has this little plastic pouch, and I could put my pens in there when I go for a meeting, and you know, and it has, this is good for sketching, and just really do like this notebook. So went ahead and purchased this one, and this is really for bullet journaling, and I don't journal, but I thought I would give this a try. Now, again, I apologize, this video is not super long, so bear with me, just because Target's a little bit more expensive than Amazon, so that's why I had so many crafts from Amazon. But okay, so y'all know that I crafted with a caddy from Target not too long ago, and I was gonna put my markers in there, and then I came across this one, and I love this idea that I can divide my markers out as I'm pulling them to create my card. And so I went ahead and got this instead. Now the other one's not going to go to waste because I'm sure I can find another use for it in my craft room. If not, my daughter can have it because, you know, she loves my craft supplies. So went ahead and purchased this. I don't know what I'll put on there, and I love it. It's narrow. It's going to sit to the side of my craft mat, and then again I can divide out my colors and be a little bit more organized as I craft. And yes, I I like that. Okay, so I found this cute little stapler from the Sugar Paper Company. I love their stuff. I'm obsessed with sugar paper. And I thought it was so cute, little cute white stapler. I don't have a stapler in my craft room and I really need one, and I don't want to get a big one, so I found this really small, cute small one, so we'll definitely be crafting with that and add a little personalized touch to it. And then I also got some index cards. You're probably thinking, what are we going to craft with this? Well, I will show you in another video, so stay tuned. This is going to be crafted with, I promise. And then the last two items, this tumbler, look how beautiful this tumbler is. I love it. And you can either use a straw or you can just drink from the spout there and then close it up. But I love the color. I love the ombre look. It's so pretty. And then the last thing from my haul are these magnetic bag chips. Love that, and we're definitely going to add some cute little sayings to the clips. Now, I can't remember if I showed you guys this or not. I really, and I haven't had time to look, so I do apologize. This has actually been sitting in my craft room, but I'm going to add it anyways to this video. Let me grab it real quick. It is this Memo Display Acrylic Magnet Set, and I don't think I showed you guys this, but I wanted to show you guys this because this is from Target, but it's been in my craft room probably a good 2 months. I have not crafted with it yet, and I really want to use this because I want to go ahead and take advantage of this. So this is also something I'm really excited to be crafting with as well. Okay, well, apologize for the short video, but hey, sometimes that's gonna happen, right? Well, this is my Target craft haul video. Make sure that you turn on that notification because tomorrow is my Dollar Tree craft haul video, so you don't want to miss that one. And then the day after that is, well, I'm gonna grab a few items from each haul and we're gonna craft with them. Okay, well, I will see you all in the next Carter Craft or craft haul video. Bye.
Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my mommy's channel. Bye bye.